Okay, as you guys can see, I've already done the left side. In this video, I'll show you how I got what's on the left side on the right side. So what you're going to need for this look is curly bundles. And my bundles are 10 inches. Anything longer, to me, it would just be really, really long. You're going to need some scissors. You'll need needle and thread. You will need bobby pins. And then lastly, you would need gel or either edge control, whatever you use to slick down your edges. So I'm showing you what it looks like before I added the curly bundles. There's clearly a braid underneath there. I just have to show you guys how I got the extensions secured onto the braid. So now what I'm doing is measuring so that the length on both sides will be symmetrical. I'm just going to fold up the braid so that it won't be super long, and the braid is so thin at the end that you kind of need to fold it up anyway. So I will be using my needle and thread just to secure this braid. And the way that I am securing is just taking the needle and thread through one time until don't take it all the way through, or you're just gonna have to start over. Take it through one time, take it through a second time, and then create a knot and secure it. Just pull it like tennis shoes, create a knot, but don't pull it too hard, because if you pull it too hard for the first time, you might pull the knot out. So secure it lightly the first time. Once you secure the braid, go all the way up, but not too high. I mean, that little piece is so small. Just secure it enough and then just cut the knot. So here with my bundles, I am keeping it double bundled, or keeping the weft. I'm doubling up the weft. And what you would do towards the bottom is secure the bottom, wrap it around the knot or the end of the braid, and really secure this portion, because you don't want this part to start showing through at the very bottom of the ponytail. You want it to kind of still stay hidden, and you want it to look really nice. So just really reinforce the stitch as much as you can around that bottom piece of the braid. So I kind of stitched maybe about 10 to 15 times around the bottom of the braid just to make sure it was really secure. So after that's secure, the bottom piece is secure, you're going to take the extensions and wrap them around the braid as tight as possible. You don't want it to be loose or it'll just look crazy. And then reinforce that piece like towards the front 2 or 3 times, and then you're just going to, after that, just keep wrapping it around the braid, and maybe keep like about ½ an inch space in between your wrapping. You'll see what I mean in just a second. So wrap it around, keep it really tight, and then just sew it on top of that little piece. Do that about 2 to 3 times. This is just so you can secure the braid. You don't want nobody to catch you slipping. Make sure your hair is secured, and you're just gonna repeat this process all the way up until your weft ends, or until you reach the desired part of how far you want your extensions or your curly hair to go up. So right now I'm just reinforcing the end. You want the ends of the wefts to be really secure as well. So to make this look somewhat natural, well, really natural, you're gonna take a piece of the weft hair and you're gonna cover up the weft. You're just gonna wrap it around the weft and keep it secure as well. You want it really tight as well. It also helps if you use hairspray on top of this to keep it in place, because as you wear the style it could, you know, mess up a little bit. So put hairspray on it and then stick your bobby pins in to secure it. I didn't show y'all, but I used about 2 to 3 bobby pins to secure it. So hairspray, I didn't show y'all the hairspray, but I used hairspray to secure that. So I really think I'm done, but then I'm like, oh shoot, I forgot about my edges. You got to get them edges too. So yeah, this is pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, I'm sorry I don't know how to do feed-in braids. I didn't show y'all how to do the feed-in braids, but if y'all need questions about how to do feed-in braids, I can get that for you. Just leave it in the comments. This is a completed look. I hope y'all like it. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see y'all on our next video.